All right, what's up, gang? So, pretty much wanted to go through the broker that I've been using for about 3 years now. I really love them. So, for those of y'all that are new to trading, if y'all are looking for a broker, we're going to pretty much go through the actual broker that I've been using and some of the benefits that I found that's been helpful for me as far as like in my trading. So, I've been trading for like going on 11 years now. So, it really matters when you have a good, solid broker. So the broker that I use is Here Liquid Brokers. They used to be known as Sway. So we're just going to kind of go through the platform together so y'all can kind of know how to maneuver through everything. And then I'll share with y'all, um, the options that I've chosen on my personal trading accounts and things like that. So this is on the main page. So they do offer pretty much all of the Forex pairs. They offer crypto as well, NAS, S&P 500, gold, all of that good stuff. They offer all of those for those of y'all that love NAS and S&P. They have that for y'all as well. The spreads are really good as well. I do like the spreads. Normally, I do trade on a ECN account, so that is the one that I normally choose. So when you are signing up, if you are confused on which one to choose, the one that I normally choose is going to be ECN. They do have it highlighted here as popular too, so it makes it pretty easy for you. But you do have the other options as far as like VIP, Islamic, and no commission accounts as well. So if you keep scrolling down, here are the options to actually download the platform. Now, I use the Pro version. So you see how we have Liquid Charts Pro and then we have Liquid Charts the regular. So personally, I like the Pro version just because it's more comfortable to me. Um, and just how it looks. It looks more modern, sleek, and things like that. So I just like how it looks. It's a long way from MT4 and things like that. They do offer MT5 as well, though. So for those of y'all that do miss MT4 in like the old days, they do have MT5 at least for y'all if y'all do want to kind of get into that. But normally I use the Pro version. You have the Windows version. I use Mac, and the Apple version for my iPhone. So you have Apple, Android. So they do have both options here. Again, Pro, and then you have the regular. I use the Pro version. So the Pro versions look different than the actual regular versions. So I use Pro Apple pretty much like 90% of the time. And then when I'm on the go, I use my MacBook on the Mac OS. And then on my desktop, I use the Windows. So these are the main three that I personally use under the Pro version. We keep scrolling down. Let's see. This is just kind of more information for y'all if y'all are interested in looking for stuff like that. I will leave the link to sign up to the broker in the description below for those of y'all that are interested. You do get benefits as well for those of y'all that do sign up with the link below. Just shoot me a message via email or you can join the chat room community. I do have a free trading community where I give out free signals for all of those that are um, with the broker with our team. So good security. One beautiful thing that I love about this broker, man, is the withdrawals. I get my withdrawals in like 8, 15 minutes. It's like super fast. So that to me is big because when it comes to the depositing the money in the broker, they get it fast, right? But a lot of brokers, when it comes to getting your money back, they have you waiting like 2 days, 4 days, 7 days. It's just crazy. They'll take your money in like 30 minutes, but it takes like a week to get your money back. I hate that, bro. So that is one of the main things that I love about this broker is that I get my withdrawals literally minutes after I place it. I have never not once, like I kid you not, never not once had a withdrawal issue at all. So all of my withdrawals have come straight to my Coinbase in minutes. The longest withdrawal I've had, I think, was maybe about 4 hours. And this was maybe like a year, maybe a year and a half ago. So they might have updated their processing system or something like that since then, but it's literally been rapid fast ever since. So that I do love about this broker. And one of the main things I love about this broker is the extremely fast withdrawal. So let's see. They do have competitions for y'all as well. So those of y'all that like to enter competition, they have free competitions every now and then. Here's one right here that they have as far as for the demo live trading account. So pretty much you trade a demo account and then whoever makes the most profit by the end of the month on the demo account, they actually get like a live account with certain amount of profits. I think the max is like 25K. And literally it's like withdrawable. So you don't have to like keep continuously trading it. You can just withdraw the whole 25K. So they have competitions like this every single month, which is pretty cool. For those of y'all that just want to take a shot at it and try to win some extra money. Just extra stuff that they offer for everybody. Um, they do have PAM service for those of y'all that like PAM services. So if you have your own community, they do have PAM services for y'all. So that's another benefit as well. The affiliate program is awesome, guys. Again, the link to join below is down below. You do get benefits when you are a part of our team just because we are so high up. So the affiliate program is literally awesome. So for those of y'all that are looking to actually grow your community and take it to the next level, I definitely recommend you guys tap into the affiliate program as well, because it'll definitely have your team looking really good, and you get a lot of good benefits as well. So that's there as well. Um, what else, man? I really haven't had to contact them at all, like for no reasons. If anything, I contact them for chat, but that's just for like little stuff. I never had to contact them for a trade. I actually had to have to contact them for a trade one time. And this was like the first year I was using them. There was actually a site-wide thing going down or something like that, but they actually sent out emails for this. And then it was more so of just like reach out to them and then they'll resolve the issue. So it was literally um they made the issue like known. And, I sent them a message on chat and they literally resolved the issue just like that. So that was like the only time I really had to reach out to them. But other than that, I usually don't have to contact them, which is beautiful because most of the time you have to constantly contact brokers. Hey, what's going on with the trade? Why did they do this? Why did they do that? So I really don't even have to contact them at all, man. So it's a beautiful broker. Um, I think we pretty much went over everything that you generally would need to know about a broker, but solid, solid broker. Again, the link is down below in the description if you guys want to check it out and join under our team. If you have any questions, y'all can just shoot me an email. The email is down below as well. The link to our trading community as well, our free chat room is down below. Other than that, man, that's really all I got for y'all. I hope y'all do enjoy the broker. This is a really good broker for those of y'all that are new to trading and looking for a solid broker that is going to pretty much somebody that you can count on, So somebody that you can count on, somebody that you can trust when it comes to your capital, right? Because you're putting your money in this broker. So you want somebody that you can trust that your money's going to be cool, safe, and that you can actually get your money back when you put it in there, right? And you can get it back fast and not have to wait countless days and have these loopholes that you're having to go back and forth through. Like nobody wants to do that. So solid broker, man. Let me know how y'all think of the broker. If y'all are already with the broker, let me know as well. For those of y'all that have been with the broker for a little while, y'all can shoot me an email and let me know y'all's experience as well. Other than that, man, I will catch y'all later. Peace out.